Hi everyone, thanks for watching my YouTube contents. I'm Sang Kim. Today I would like to show you how to get correlation metrics in Excel and R. There are 6 X variables and 1 Y variable. In our program, if you use COR function, then you can quickly get this correlation metrics. But in Excel, there is no built-in function to get this correlation matrix. The easiest way to get correlation matrix in Excel is to use data analysis. As you can see, if you get correlation matrix here, then upper triangle doesn't have any value because correlation matrix is symmetry matrix. So this value is the same as this one. But I would like to show you how to get fully filled in correlation matrix by using simple basic Excel functions. Right? So in terms of correlation formula, if you know, correlation matrix can be calculated by covariance divided by two variables standard deviation. So let's get standard deviation here. Fix row. In order to get covariance matrix, we need to center data. So row data minus average of x1 variable. Then we can apply this formula for other cells. Right. Then let's get correlation matrix. Covariance matrix should be 7 by 7 matrix, right? So invert transpose centered data, comma, and centered data, and divide by 19 because n-1 there are 20 observations, and press Ctrl Shift Enter. Right, this is covariance matrix. And let's get correlation matrix. Copy, special paste, value, click transpose. So we want to fill in correlation value here. Right. So we can think of, we can use offset function. So for example, this is, let's say, reference cell. If you use offset reference here, comma 1, comma 1, then it means it returns this value. This is reference cell. So if you change it as 2, then you can get this one. So one first row and 2 columns, right? So by using this logic, let's get correlation matrix here. So first element of covariance matrix over offset reference value here, comma. So to have this value, right, the row should be 1 and columns should be this one. Okay. And times offset reference value here, comma, rows as 1 and column this one. Then fix rows. Right. Then you can apply this formula for other cells. Right. As you can see, this is same as our output, right? That's it for today. I hope it was useful to understand how to get fully fill in correlation values in Excel. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.